We've reported here on World News on the spike in thefts of smartphones, in particular iPhones. Even New York City's Mayor Michael Bloomberg attributing the spike in crime in part to those phone thefts. Well, tonight, one iPhone owner who crafted his own sting, and it paid off. Here's ABC's Tanya Rivero.
Nadav Nirenberg left his iPhone 4 in a taxi on New Year's Eve.
I immediately used my friend's phone to call it up, see what was going on, but it was immediately turned off.
The Brooklyn musician becoming one of thousands falling prey to a growing crime wave sweeping the country, dubbed Apple picking. These thefts of iPhones and Apple products caught on tape. Nearly 16,000 were reported stolen this year in the Big Apple, keeping New York police busy.
If you just took out thefts of Apple products, our total crime rate would be lower than it was last year.
But unlike most victims, Nirenberg got a lucky break. The crook started sending messages from his phone using his online profile, trolling for dates.
He was using my OkCupid account at like 6 a.m. to send messages to all these girls.
Against police advice, Nirenberg set up his own sting, creating a phony profile with a cleavage-bearing photo plucked from the web.
My best version of talking as a girl, or a flirty girl, I should say, is adding winky face emoticons.
The thief took the bait, writing, "You want to meet?" Nirenberg replied, "Yeah, I kinda do." And when asked, "Will you kiss me?" his coy response, "Well, I don't have a boyfriend." They made a plan to meet up at Nirenberg's apartment.
I confront him right here, and I put the $20 in his hand to defuse the situation as fast as possible, but I had a hammer in my hand just in case.
The thief handed over the phone, took the money, and ran.
He was dressed up with like a nice jacket and shirt and smelled like cologne, and he had a bottle of wine in his hand.
But authorities warn, do not take it that far. What you can do is download a free Find My iPhone app, which allows you to locate the phone if the GPS hasn't been disabled. And David, a lot of thieves are onto that. They do that. But at least it will allow you to wipe all your personal information off the phone.
Find My iPhone app free and do it right away as soon as you know the phone is stolen.
Absolutely.
That guy's been watching too much Homeland.
He's good.
He was good, but don't try it at home.